Hey guys, how you doing? Today we're making this sticky chicken. It's sweet, spicy, you're gonna love it, so let me walk you through this. So what I've got here are 3 boneless, skinless chicken breasts that I've just kind of cubed up. You can use chicken thighs, anything you like, even wings. And I'm gonna season this up with some salt, and some ground black pepper. Give it a mix up. Like I always say, I'm mixed up too. Crack an egg in. And we're going to mix this up. Now what we're going to do is take the pieces out, coat them in some breadcrumbs, and I'm using panko here. But you can use the breadcrumbs of your choice. Then transfer them onto a baking tray, line with some parchment paper. I'm using about 1.5 cups of panko breadcrumbs here. To make it easier, you can give it the old shake-a-rooney. Now I'm going to slip these into a 375 Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 20 minutes. You can always deep fry these too, but I just find baking healthier. While the chicken's baking, we're going to make our super yummy delicious sauce with a 1/4 cup of water, 1/4 cup of honey, yummy honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a teaspoon of sriracha. Depending on how spicy you want it, you can add more or less. Go ahead and give this a mix. And we're going to bring this to a boil. After a boil, I'm going to add in 2 tablespoons of cornstarch diluted in 2 tablespoons of water. And of course we're going to stir this until it thickens. That's what we're looking for, something like this. I'm going to kill the heat, and that's our sauce. So after about 20 minutes, our chicken is nicely done here. I'm just going to put them in a bowl. The smell is so good. Pour the yummy sauce over it. And, if it gets a little too thick, you can always thin it out with some hot water. Look at this, guys. Just going to give it a toss up here until everything is well coated. Actually, I'm going to give this a shake. And there you have it, guys, our sticky firecracker chicken. Okay, let's plate this up. And this smells incredibly delicious. Then garnish them up with some green onions. And last but not least, some toasted sesame seeds. So let's give this a taste test. Guys, this is so good. It's sweet, spicy, chicken is so tender. I just love it. You gotta try this. For the full recipe, head on over to cookandshare.com. All kinds of great stuff over there. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.